Mike Singer alternator unboxing.
I did it. I did it, Mom.
240 amp alternator. What's in there, Freya?
I don't know.
It's an alternator.
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 Come on. Get in there. Good. Good. There. There. Okay. No, not yet. Not yet, Dad. That's cute, Dad.
Okay, what's your hand?
Now? Did you open it? Wait, open it.
Let's see.
Dad.
Hold on.
I want to pop that. No, I want to pop
What we
it.
got? Look at that Singer alternator sticker. Let's see. What else we got here?
That was loud.
Swaggers.
There's another box?
Yeah, watch your fingers, mamas.
No, I want to cut it open.
Watch your fingers.
I want to cut it. Box.
A box in a box.
Oh boy.
Let me get on here. There we go.
Hold on.
Ooh. Green?
Yeah.
Fancy.
No. Super sharp. Alright.
Look at all those bubbles. I love the bubbles. Look at this. More bubbles.
Oh boy.
Ooh, fancy.
I want happy bubbles. Give me them.
Oh no, let Daddy check out his alternator.
Okay.
Pop these ones. Hold on, let Daddy
Super
check
sick. Man, I am fucking stoked. This thing came out sick, Mike. You can totally tell the difference, man, of 200 amp alternator I got in there right now that had built at an alternator shop. This thing is solid. My other one screeches and makes all kinds of noise. Nice big old copper top. Dude, this thing is fucking awesome. Super clean, super excited. I got the heart of my next build. I got one more of those coming. I got another one of these coming. Gotta order all new wires. Gonna replace this with the RP 4-channel. But man, came with a sick sticker, some swag. And then 3K, 267, 2K at cruise, 249, 833, 64. Yeah, I'm super stoked, dude. You're awesome, Mike. Thanks, man. Can't wait to get started building this thing. I think I'm gonna get the SMD A&L fuse block, the 8-1 fuse one, run all my power off, my 3 amps, and my 2 batteries. Dude, this thing came out sick. Super stoked.